This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here in Propaganda in Pretoria. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Borussia Dortmund 4. My sister, how are you?
I'm excited.
Excited?
I'm excited.
What is your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Mama Fufuzela.
Mama Fufu.
Yeah, Mama Fufuzela. Philip Mtsipe knows Mama Fufuzela.
From where?
From Lodiam, Itireleng.
Itireleng.
Eskrepin, Mkukwin.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
proud from where I come from.
Number one.
Ah.
Ofilajan, how do you feel about the game tonight?
My brother, I'm happy.
Yeah.
It depends who you were playing. That is a big team. They face the big boys, Masanda, one of the Brazilians.
Yeah.
Abafana bestyler.
Kabuyeni.
Phamisa inombolo.
Phakamise u7.
Ngi-happy.
Happy ne?
Being here tonight ne.
Yeah.
Eish, angizisola ukuthi ngangilele.
Yeah.
Kumnandi lapha.
Kumnandi.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
It's a healing tablet. No stress, no BP, no sugar, no what today.
Painless.
I'm
Yeah.
not a chronic patient.
Yeah.
Kabuyelo.
Kabuyelo. So,
I'm happy.
going forward to the next game, what is your message to your boys?
Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Don't be scared. Never mind the weather. Never mind the temperature. Ne?
Yeah.
Ngizolilinda e-airport liyazi. Kabuyelo, yana Nashino. We love you guys.
Thank you so much.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.